Hello everyone, welcome to our first video on air soccer one-on-one. First, let's demonstrate how you play it. Should we?
Okay, let's.
This is a two-player game. Let's start. Oh,
Okay. See, we'll try to kick the ball, obviously, and just moving up and down, but I think the players can left and right. Try to kick the ball into the goal post. Whoever scores kicks this ball to the red line.
get 1 point.
Point, and
I said
oh,
that
okay. Today we're gonna show you how to make this game.
and this time we are okay, time's running out. I've already scored points.
Yeah,
Oh, that was a close one.
we set the timer to about 3 seconds, but obviously.
Wait. Show them what happened. Okay, everyone. So, anyway, let's show you how you make it. Well, you can take over.
Yeah, let's take a look at how we add in the
Backdrop.
in the first place. We have something prepared, so we just put in the fill, and that's how you upload the backdrop. Okay, it's taking some time.
And as you can see, it's already uploaded, but well, it's very small.
Yeah, so let's just fill the screen. I think the picture that we took was a bit small. Let's try to fill the screen.
Let's say bigger. Okay, yeah, done.
Okay, done.
Okay.
Okay, let's give it a name first. It's called field. Let's call it the
Soccer field.
One, right? Let's
Oh,
call it
okay,
soccer.
soccer one. And let's delete that cat.
Oh yeah, let's
yeah.
let's delete the cat.
The cat. And let me take over. So first, let's choose 2 sprites for people. I think for me, I'm gonna choose a Giga. Well, I'll deal with size later. And also a Pico. As you can see, they are ginormous. So why don't we shrink them down to 40? Great. Now time for do that. The same thing to the Giga. That's better. Now, as you can see, they are both facing the same side, but I don't want that. So, since the Giga should be the protector of this side, let's look at its costume. So why don't we just flip horizontal, and then we do that to the next costume.
Yeah, this is quite an elegant solution, right? To make sure that he's just facing the right direction. We don't want his butt to be facing the ball and to kick that in. Alright.
Yep.
Let's make the goal post.
Yep. And we yet again have to add a sprite. And where is it? God.
Oh, you're looking for the ball?
No, yeah. I'm looking for the line. You asked me to make the goal post. Oh yeah, that's line. And I know it's big, but well, at least we can just flip it around. There. That's why I'm just gonna type. It was 180, right? And
it's a bit too big and long, so let's.
Well, isn't it obvious?
Yeah.
Wait, this one was 40. This was 40, I suppose.
Or 30 maybe.
No, I think it's 40.
Okay, that will do.
Yep, I suppose. Now let's do the second line. Well, nowadays everything is 40, right?
Yeah, we need to explain what this line is for, right?
Wait, let's put in all the sprites first. Since it's soccer, why don't we put in a soccer ball?
Yes, of course. We can't forget the
What's the
soccer ball.
size?
I think it's a bit too big. Let's change it.
I think you make it big. Just a little bit bigger. Ah, there. Oh, it's actually very small.
Well, let's go through this quickly.
First,
Yep.
let's add in the code as in the position, because right now, as you can see, it's
okay.
x2 and y4, but I want it to be x0 and y0. So let's call it like when green flag clicked.
You want to go through what you're doing now for the ball? Now we're actually doing Pico. Should we start with the people first?
Nah, let's first, do this. This is to make sure the ball starts in the middle. Let me show you.
Okay.
See, it's just like adjust
Okay,
in the
come,
middle
let's
there.
go quickly to the rest.
Okay, to the people first. So later we'll come back to the ball.
Yeah.
Should we start with the Pico or should we start with the Giga? Well, I think the Giga is more easier, so yeah. First, let's grab an. Well, now we're gonna do the move one. Grab an, when we get clicked, and then grab a forever loop, and grab two if statements. Let me duplicate it. Let's go to the key.
Yep, the idea here is that, of course, we allow the Giga to move left and right, up and down, right?
Uh-huh. Okay, now it's down there.
And Giga being on the right side of the screen, let's just use the up, down, left, right arrow on the keyboard.
Let me see, what else is okay. Now.
Okay, and then let's...
And first, well, we need to make sure that it, stays in this position. Why don't we put it...
That's Giga, right? That's
Pico.
Yeah, you need to go to Giga.
Yeah, sorry.
So we make sure that he will start at the same position every time, right?
Now, first, let me look in the position. It's, this direction is, there.
Yeah.
X 198 and Y minus 4. Well, anyway, so let's just put it.
Okay.
And then let's change
this
9
one
by 10. And then change here by minus 10.
Okay, so
and then we just change X this time. Right.
So we allow the character to move up and down, left and right with this. Pretty simple.
Wait,
how about the costume?
Let's just check that I didn't get it wrong.
Correct. How about the costume? Can we have the legs moving? How do we do that?
Sure, that's easy. That's actually easy. Now let's go to the looks. Next costume is here. Where are we? We don't need to put that up and down.
Yeah. So his legs don't really move when it's going up and down. Maybe just left and right.
Let's show you.
Does it work? Alright, it works.
Look at the legs. Look at the legs.
Let's move on.
Actually.
Is it done?
Yes, also.
Yep, okay, then let's go on to...
And just not to waste any time, let's put this into the Pico, except that later we'll have to make some adjustments.
That's awesome idea.
Wait, how come it didn't go in?
Yeah.
Let's just try this again. Come on, is it working? Okay, let's check. Okay, great, it works. Except that we'll have to make some adjustments. Because because its position is different.
That's right.
So let's take.
Oh, you don't have to take it out. Oh, okay, I know what you're trying to do.
Yep.
Alright,
Because it just resets itself.
fair enough.
And we also need to change this to the WASD.
So that the person controlling Pico
Okay, let me try to find the W.
will be able to do it from the left
Wait, what's the
side of the
W?
keyboard.
Okay,
Yeah.
W, and then now let's search for the
Now
S.
S.
And then
A.
there's a D.
Oh no, right is the D. Yeah, right.
D, what's the D?
Up,
What's the D? This. Okay. And then A is here.
Okay.
Do you think is this correct?
Looks correct to me.
Well, as you know, we always need to double check. Let's see. Okay. Yep. Actually, I think the Pico looks sort of funny.
It's okay. Come, let's move on to the most difficult part.
What do you mean the most difficult part?
That's the
The ball.
Okay, now let's see how we can do this.
Hmm.
Maybe let's do the setting of all the timings. We create a variables first. The scoring and the timer.
3 variables.
Yeah. Okay. Let's do this.
Okay, let's do this. Make a variable. Why don't you type? I'm not very good at typing these now.
We do a score 1.
Score
And
2.
then do a score 2. You really should start to learn how to type, you know. And
Well, I do know how to type. I don't want to bother.
Okay. Are we there? Okay, good. Come.
Okay. Everything's fine.
What should we do?
Wait, what should we set first? First, let's set our timer to 60. But well, don't you think that 60 is a little bit too less? Oh, fine, whatever. I'll do 60. Okay, first let's grab 3 of this. Oh, oops. And then score 1, score 2, timer. Well, we want to set our timer to 60, right? I honestly think that we should put timer here.
Okay.
And here.
Yeah.
And then let's put a forever loop. So it's like, well, because you need to go around forever and repeat until operator and or statement, this one. And
the
then,
OR statement, right?
And then grab 2 equal statement.
What's the point here?
Oh well, we're just trying to, do the
End the game, right? When anybody reaches 5, the score reaches 5. Okay, so the first to 5 will win, and if not, the timer will just count down until 0.
And I honestly think that we should add some more time. Though we already strict it from 20 to 5. So I think 5 is less myself. Anyway.
So this is the part where we count the number, how you count the number of goals, right?
Let's grab if statements. How many should we grab? 2. Okay.
I think this if statement should be inside repeat until now.
Should we go into staging? Oh yeah, I forgot. Silly me. Is it a touching?
Okay, can you tell us what you're doing?
Oh, it's just, well, it's just setting the goal right now. So let's do.
Shall we give them a name as well?
Sure, why not? But first, well, let's put line 1 and line 2 first.
Mm-hmm.
And why don't you type goal
Line
1?
1. Yep, line 1 refers
No,
to
goal 1 and goal 2.
goal 1, right? So that will not be confused later. And goal 2. Okay, actually this is goal 1, you know. Okay. Alright.
Okay. First, let's see. So let's put this here, and let's put this here, like
Okay.
this. So it's like if this ball is touching here, then change this, right?
Okay,
That's
let's go
exactly
back
what
to
it has.
soccer ball.
If touching goal 1, then we first, as I already told you, we need to change the score. So touching goal 1, and this is goal 1, I suppose. So it kicks here.
Can we check?
That means it's here.
Yeah. Goal 1.
Score.
Let's see. Goal 1.
Wait,
It's
wait.
the opposite way. This is goal 1. That's goal 2.
Wrong. Okay, needs to be score 2 by 1. And then let's duplicate this and then change it to score 1.
Fair enough.
And then
And then it gets more interesting. What shall we do now? Shall we add some sound?
now let's do the basic things first. And then
Sure.
we'll go to the sounds later. Let's put these 2 codes in. So it goes like it touched there, then it goes back.
The ball will go
show
back
a
to its original
demonstration.
position.
Sweet. Oh yeah, we haven't coded the ball to
haven't
move
got
yet.
that. Yeah, let's just finish coding it first and explain it before we try.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah.
I'm really sorry about that. I forgot.
Yeah.
First, let's leave this first. But well, I honestly think we should, give some more time. So why don't we grab wait 1 second. Maybe we should get 2. But well, I think we should change it a little bit. 0.5, right?
The idea here is that I
make
think
it
we explained our last.
Pause.
Yeah, we explained in our last tutorial,
Yeah.
right? That we don't want it to be touching the goal for too many times.
Yep.
Right. So this will stop that. Okay.
And you were talking about some sounds, right? But I suppose there's always some time to add it later.
Add it later. Now let's go on to the other parts. Okay, now we need to add in this. Make the ball move. Otherwise, the ball will not move.
As I showed you just now, it's like this.
Yeah, the ball is not moving.
Look at it, the ball
Okay,
is
come.
not
Let's
moving.
see how we can make the ball move now. Now that we are telling the ball, we have already told the ball what happens when it touches the goal. Now, how do we make the ball move?
Why don't we first move 10 steps? Wait. Wrong place. Move 10 steps. And let's put an even edge bounce so that if it touches the edge, it just bounce back.
Okay.
Very important, I think.
So the ball will move 10 steps.
And then let's grab an if statement. And then put sensing. Should we do Giga first or Pico first?
It doesn't matter, right? Yeah.
Well, whatever. Let's just put Giga first.
So, can you explain what we're doing now?
Well, right now we are, trying to make the ball move around. First, let's make it point in direction.
Yeah, the ball will move after putting in the move 10 steps. But what we're doing now is to allow the ball to bounce off Giga and Pico, right?
Let's put this point in direction and then go to operators. and then pick random or the button minus 30 to minus 120.
Yeah. That's for Giga, who is standing on the right. So we want to make sure that the ball bounces in the opposite direction of minus 30 to 120. Alright, fair enough. So let's do the same thing for the Pico.
So let's change it a little bit.
Alright, so it's 30 and
it's just plain 120. And then after that we need to change.
it changes to Pico walking.
I almost forgot that.
Yeah.
Which is makes me one of the most important. And let's go back to control because we're trying to stop it.
Yeah, we top it off. If you recall, it was supposed to stop when we score 5 goals. Now, do we have the basic?
Nope, we're not done yet.
We're not done yet.
Remember the timer?
Yeah, we need to set the timer.
You haven't even got the timer to do anything.
Yeah, now we need to go to the timer. Now let's do this quite quickly.
Or we could just add this timer first.
We could add the timer later.
We could just add the sound. Why not?
Yeah, but maybe we can do this quite quickly by.
Let's just add the sound first.
Add the sound first? Okay, sure, go ahead, add the sound.
Why let's do this first? That's for later, okay. The sound. Okay, so sound is so if you want to go, then I suppose you would want to make it a cheer. So let's go to sounds, and let's choose the sound.
Let's search for it.
Let's search G.
Go. Yeah. Use this.
Yep. I don't think we need to add another sound for now.
And we go to
the sounds and then start sounds go here. For it. And then wait 2 seconds.
Yeah, so that after the cheer, people can have more time to cheer, and then the ball we'll have to wait 2 seconds before we start again, right?
But well, I think we want to, make a sound when it starts.
That's right.
Well, what about a whistle?
Yeah, the whistle.
Wait. I know, a referee's whistle.
That's right.
Let's start with
some inject sense of realism, right? So that when you start the game, the referee will blow the whistle for you to start the game. Referee whistle. Nice.
Okay,
a
so
bit loud though. Wow. Oh, okay. Enough. Let's do this. Not too loud. All right. Let's go ahead.
Okay, that's better. Or is this better?
Okay, let's go ahead.
Let's go back to the code. And let's go to the sounds. Start sound referee whistle. Look, now let's add the sounds for
the rest as well.
We
just need to do, yes, that's right.
And let's change this to golden cheer.
We have to do the same for this. We have to do the same for the wait 2 seconds.
Yeah.
All this we can adjust it, however you like, right? Maybe you want to give them more time for celebration, go celebration. Okay.
But actually the sounds and wait 2 seconds are actually optional. It's just something that we choose.
Right. Can we do the timer and then we're done? Are we? Okay, let's do
Let's
timer
see.
and then we're done.
Hey, I know. Why don't we make a sound for the if touching Giga walking stuff?
Okay, let's do timer first, shall we?
No, we're not done with the adding the sound. Remember?
Okay.
So let's.
Come. Okay, let's do the kicking sound.
Mhm.
Okay, let's
Okay,
choose this.
let's choose
This
this.
sounds good.
But let
Maybe
me see.
soft. Yeah. Okay. Let's use this.
It's a bit softer, a little bit. Or maybe.
Yeah, let's just start.
do
Okay,
it.
let's just do it.
And
So what this means is that when it touches the Giga or Pico, you just have a kick sound, right?
well, let's make the timer.
Yeah, let's do that, and I think we're done.
Well, but then you show them how to play it
Of
again.
course. Yeah.
And then first we do this. And then we do. Let's just. Wait. I think we also forgot some code.
Yeah, we need to put switch the backdrop.
Switch the backdrop to. Wait. What backdrop was this? Yep, this is soccer one, right?
Well, actually, in this case, we don't because there's only one backdrop. So let's go on to just the timer for now. Okay.
Okay.
Timer. So go control, and then we go to the repeat until.
Repeat until. Okay, there it is. And then repeat until timer equals 0, right?
We try to count down.
And then we need to.
Yeah,
wait,
this is a very
1
standard way
second.
of doing the countdown. Right, that's how you usually do a countdown for the timer. So, in fact, this
change timer by -1.
Yep. So then, with every second, you just minus. All right.
And why don't we,
Okay.
maybe we should, start sound referee whistle.
Yeah, just one referee whistle should be fine.
No, what about 3?
It's the actual
And let's
whistle,
wait
right? By the referee.
0.5 seconds.
Okay, fair enough.
You only need 3, right?
3 whistles to signal the end. Fantastic.
And then let's duplicate this. Oh yeah, I don't think we needed that. And then
yeah, let's choose that.
play sound. Referee sound to done.
Cool. I'm not sure we need this last block, but
then let's wait. What about 1 second?
Okay.
And then let's stop. Oh, and then I think
then
that's
finished. Done.
Well,
let's save it first in case.
Yep.
Yeah.
Let's Control S.
Okay, let's try
to play it. Let's click the green flag, and I'm the Giga. Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Yep.
Oh.
Phew. Fun.
Yep. Cool.
Yeah, so fast.
Yeah, it's so fast. Oh.
Look.
Does it work? Oh, actually, we got the score reverse. This score should be 7. So now I'm giving. Yay.
Wow, that was an accident.
Yeah, just switch it, right?
Uh-huh.
So now the good thing is that you can maybe the next tutorial see how we can make the ball.
Or could just make more balls.
Uh-huh. Okay, and counting down to 11, 10. Oh. Shall we thank everyone?
Well, basically, I won.
Yeah. Okay, so
And
this is
let's switch this first.
okay, yeah.
Yeah,
Before we
we almost
forget.
forgot. Uh-huh.
Yeah, I think
So,
and that brings us to
so
the end of the tutorial.
first video. In the next video, we are gonna, make it more difficult and duplicate it and make it more fast.
Okay, thank you everyone.
And we might just, put in some additional things. But well, you never know.
Yeah. Okay, until next time. See you.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
see you. Bye bye. Next time.